If your PS5 won't turn on but beeps when you press the power button, don't worry. In this video, we'll go through the real, Sony-approved reasons this happens and the safe fixes you should try first before you risk data loss or unnecessary repairs. Try these steps to fix your PS5. Step 1. Check power source and cables. Start with the basics. Plug the PS5 directly into a wall outlet, not a power strip or surge protector. Faulty or overloaded power strips are a known cause of startup issues. Next, inspect the power cable and make sure it is firmly connected on both ends. If possible, try a different power cable that meets PS5 specifications. Step 2. HDMI and display issues. Many users think their PS5 won't turn on when it's actually a display problem. Reseat the HDMI cable on both the console and the TV. Try a different HDMI port on your TV or a different HDMI cable altogether. Sony specifically notes that if safe mode doesn't appear, HDMI connection issues may be the reason. Also make sure your TV is set to the correct input source. Step 3. Perform a proper power cycle. A proper power cycle can fix stuck power states. Turn off the PS5 completely by holding the power button for about 3 seconds until it shuts down. Unplug the power cable from the console and leave it unplugged for at least 20 minutes. This allows internal components to fully discharge. After that, plug it back in and try turning it on again. Step 4. Start the PS5 in safe mode. If the console still beeps but won't start normally, safe mode is the next step. Turn the PS5 off completely. Press and hold the power button again and do not release it until you hear a second beep, which happens about 7 seconds after the first. Connect a controller using a USB cable and press the PlayStation button. Inside safe mode, start with options that do not erase data. First, try change video output if you suspect a black screen issue. Next, select repair console storage, which can fix file system errors without deleting your games or saves. Then try clear cache and rebuild database. Step 5. Updating software in safe mode. If the PS5 experienced an interrupted update or hasn't been updated in a long time, system software corruption may be the cause. Safe mode allows you to update the system software directly via the internet or through a USB drive. This can resolve startup problems caused by incomplete or corrupted updates. Step 6. Reset your PS5. Some safe mode options can erase your data. Reset PS5 or reinstall system software should only be used as a last resort. These options can delete games, save data, and user profiles. Only proceed if you have backups or if nothing else works.